And so this is something very interesting. This is a picture that one of my friends gave to me. So this friend, he lives in nowhere in the US. And he is Taiwanese. And one day he texted me, he said, I found my phone giving me an alarm that somebody is trying to attack or trying to send data through my home Wi-Fi. So he gave me those pictures and he said that when I checked the IP address, they were a company called Tencent. And I immediately knew that that's from WeChat, that chatting app. Because he's Taiwanese, he doesn't use other apps that linked to Tencent. He only has this WeChat, and WeChat belongs to Tencent. And so by looking at the map, immediately I can tell that's from the top to the bottom, that's Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen. That's where the Tencent's base are.
Right.
And so this kind of really gave me a shock because he said that I'm not sure how much data they got from me and how often they transfer all the data.
Yep.
And what is WeChat? So WeChat is a chatting tool that's kind of like a WhatsApp or Line. That's the only chatting tool that you can use in China. I asked my friend if they can download any other chatting tool like WhatsApp or Line. Of course, they don't have Facebook, so no Messenger. So,
and WhatsApp is actually also owned by Facebook.
Oh, I see. So that's the only way that I can talk to my friends in China, and we all know that we're monitored. And for the Tencent company, oh my gosh, he is one of the biggest company in China, and in the middle picture you can see that it has so many business from WeChat, and they even have QQ browsers. They have this Tencent News, Tencent Music, which is entertainment, and this is Tencent Video, Tencent QQ Zone, which is like a Facebook thing. And then this QQ was the original thing that they come up with, and that's a chatting tool that kind of from ICQ. So first, QQ was called OICQ. And so, of course, to the top right, you can see they also have Tencent Cloud, Tencent Map. And this little penguin is the icon of QQ. And I found something really not making me comfortable when I watch my favorite movie, which is this. Do you know what movie is that?
Yeah. Although perhaps not mention the name.
Perhaps not. It's something related to the spider.
Yes.
When I saw the scenes in the theater, I love this movie, but it also gave me the sign that I know CCP already infiltrated in Hollywood.
Right.
When you look at the picture to the top left, take a close look on the cell phone. All other apps were so pixeled. Only QQ is the one who's very detailed.
Right.
So they're kind of emphasize QQ at this moment.